snowman! Mutlu, it's finally snowing outside. Worth the wait, don't you think?
What? How's that? I fell asleep, Neşe. Ah! I can't believe this. It snowed everywhere. It's all white. But I can't even see anything. Hey, Neşe, is there fog in here as well? I feel a little lost, sis.
There's steam on your glasses, that's all.
Oh! Check it out. There's snow everywhere, sis. It's so pretty, right?
That's what I'm talking about. It's a winter wonderland.
It's so cool. Come on, let's go to the garden right away.
Be careful, kids.
Okay, we get your snow excited. But slow down. You don't want to break a leg, children.
But, Father, we can't miss even a single moment of playing in the snow.
He's right. Mutlu said it. And you shouldn't miss it as well.
Yahoo!
Minnie, Manny, wake up! Come outside and play with us. What happened out here?
Who painted everywhere bright white? I can't believe this.
It began snowing last night. That's why everywhere is all white now.
You know what rain is, right? Think of it like that. How it works is the water drops in the upper clouds turn into ice when it gets too cold. Then they become snow and then sprinkle down on us.
I think you should definitely take a look at all the snowflakes because they have great shapes. Also, every snowflake has a different shape.
That's right, just like human beings. Every snowflake is unique.
Yes, they are totally right. But the most important thing about snow is fun. And in so many incredible ways.
I think I understand, but where's the fun in that?
This is the way to more fun.
Let's have a snowflake war!
Wow! It really is wonderful. It's all so beautiful.
We want to see as well. We want to see as well.
Well, then first you gotta lift up your heads.
I don't believe it.
Oh! Great!
Mutlu, you said that snow is fun in many ways. We just had a snowflake war. We saw the shapes of the snowflakes. What else, huh?
Let's see, Minnie. Mutlu's absolutely correct. These have been in the Arctic for quite a long time. You'd better start before the snow melts and our yard becomes a river.
Are these some kind of giant skates?
Yeah, but these won't fit on anyone's feet.
No, children. These are not skates. These are sleds. They are for you to sit on and skate.
Hooray! Now this is what I call fun, Manny. I will teach you how to skate, don't you worry. You may get a bit scared, but you'll hold on to me. It'll be okay. Here we go, guys. Everyone will watch me first. I'm a master at this. Calm down. Don't be scared. Fly, fly! Oh no! How will we stop? Hold on!
What now, Mutlu? Are you scared?
Are you kidding? I wasn't scared. Why would I be scared? I'm Super Mutlu. I don't get scared of anything. I just got scared because I thought Manny was.
Thank you so much, Mutlu.
We know that, Mutlu. We know that. Now tell us what's next, Super Mutlu. We're excited.
Okay, everyone. Now for the most fun part.
All right! We're gonna make a snowman!
Hip, hip, hooray! A snowman, huh? I guess you really can do so many things with snow.
You got it, Minnie. But we first need to go home and grab all the things that we need. A carrot for his nose and some olives for his eyes and mouth.
I'll bring the whisk and coal from the closet.
Let me get his scarf so that he won't get so cold. It's a snowman! It's a snowman! I can't wait for the snowman!
Look how incredibly happy Mutlu looks.
I hope he won't be disappointed like last year.
Huh? Here is the carrot. And the olives are here as well.
Neşe?
What is it, Mommy? We're going to make a snowman is all. That's why we need these olives and this carrot.
Oh, perfect.
You know how sad Mutlu was about everything that happened to the snowman last year.
That's right, sweetheart. Be careful. He's sensitive.
Okay, don't you worry. Come on, Minnie, let's go.
So what exactly happened to the snowman last year, Neşe?
It disappeared when the sun rose, Minnie. Oh, look! They're already about to finish the body.
All right. So, Mr. Snowman, looks like you're done. There is only one thing left, and that's naming you. What should we call this year's snowman? What do you think? Should we call him Carrot Nose, maybe? No, that's not okay. We can call him Huge Belly. But no, I don't want him to misunderstand us and get upset.
What about Snowy?
We can call him Frozen Bear or Shaky.
No, none of them fit him correctly. Maybe it'd be better to name him like last year, Snow White.
I think the best one is Snow White. Nice to meet you, Mr. Snow White. See you tomorrow.
I love you so much, Snow White. I hope you won't leave us early like last year. I have so many things to tell you.
Aw, Manny, it's awful. Did you know that Snow White will go away when the sun rises?
But why is that? Mutlu loves him so much, he'll be so upset.
Oh, I hope he doesn't leave.
Come on, Mutlu. Let's go get inside now. See you later, Minnie. See you later, Manny.
Okay, see you later, Snow White. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun with us as well.
Manny, wake up, Manny. I saw Snow White fly away in my dream.
Okay, Minnie, let's go and have a look. Aha, look, Minnie, his stuff is here, but Snow White is gone.
Mutlu will come in a minute and he'll be very upset if he sees that he's not here. Come on, Manny, let's make another snowman quickly.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing here, huh?
Well,
Snow White has left. He left his stuff here, though. Please don't be upset, Mutlu.
That's right, Mutlu. You don't need to be upset. We can still make a rabbit from the snow if we can't keep the snowman here.
But I'm not upset, not one bit, because Snow White didn't go anywhere. He just melted. It happens like this all the time. Snowmen melt when the sun comes up and everything heats up. And this tiny rabbit from the snow looks so cute as well. Thank you for this, Neşe. We should also name him before it melts. What can it be? Hello there, See You.
See You, Mutlu? What a strange name. Are you really naming him See You?
I sure am, sis. It's the perfect name. He'll see you every time we see him before he melts, just like Snow White did.